Come with me as I take you through this Greek-inspired mirror DIY. I'm gonna be peeling and sticking these decals on the board of the mirror. But first, let's figure out the outline. They should flow seamless in one direction. Once that is figured, we're gonna peel and lay down the first piece. Slowly, accurately align the corner first. Apply slight pressure all around it. The rest should be easy and a continuous flow of the first one. Halfway through and I'm already loving the outcome. I'll continue and let's see the final product. A little challenging under the lights. I figured how to slide them under. For the vertical side should be like a mirror of each other. Again, the rest should follow the first one. If you have a small space left, just cut and place it. Once done, peel the clear film to make them shiny. Here is the final look. I'll also change the curtain colors to make it look less busy. Check that one out on the next video.